Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ahmad Nabil bin Ahmad Shuhairil. My student ID is 190000769 and my instructor is Mr. Abdul Rahman Muhammad Amin. Today I would like to present about my chess assignment that has been given by our lecturer. I will start the presentation with a bit of introduction about myself. I have two sisters and one brother. I came from Melaka and I studied in Mozak, which is Muzaffar Shah Science Secondary School. I am currently taking chemical engineer and I am in second year, second semester. Basically, I know all the basic moves in chess as I have represented my school for MSSM until state level when I was 14 years old, but I didn't manage to win the competition. So the reason why I chose chess is because chess is my childhood game and I know well how to play chess. Besides, I also want to learn more trick to checkmate the opponent. Next is I will explain about the standard, rapid and blitz time control. The first one, standard. The standard is up to 2 hours per game and it has 40 moves, followed by 30 minutes for the rest of the game, with an addition of 30 seconds per move starting from move 1. Next is rapid. Rapid has 15 minutes with additional of 10 seconds per move. That means if we move, then we will gain an additional of 10 seconds for every move we made. Next is blitz. Blitz is 3 minutes with additional 2 seconds per move. All the moves must be completed in a fixed time of 10 minutes or less for each player. The allotted time plus 60 times by any increment is 10 minutes or less. Next, I will explain about touch move. So basically, touch move is when the player touches intentionally on the chessboard. If it is one or more of own pieces, the player must move the first piece touched which can be moved. So basically, touch move is if a player touches a piece with the intention of moving it, he is obligated to move it if they have a legal move. And if one or more of opponent's pieces, the piece that is touched must be captured if it can capture. Okay, next. Okay, next I will explain about checkmate and stalemate. The difference between both of these mate. So checkmate is when a king is placed in check and has no legal move to escape. For the example, from the diagram you can see that the king has nowhere to move as the queen have checked it, and the king has no place to move, and it cannot take the queen out because the knight is covering the queen. And next is the stalemate. Stalemate is a situation which neither side in an argument or contest can win, or in which no progress is possible. So stalemate is basically if the king is not in check and there is nowhere possible for it to move, then it is a stalemate and the game will be called a draw. So based on the diagram, you can see that the king has nowhere to move, but it hasn't been checked yet, so it is not a checkmate and it will be called a stalemate. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you.